Hey folks, Dustin Troyan here, back here at Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day, and the cars are rolling in. It's about 7:30, and the event just kicked off. We got Porsche One Hill sponsoring the event. For all your Porsche needs, that's where you start. I'm going to do a walk around in a second. Let's just check out this Porsche. This is available. It's a pre-owned. This car's unbelievable. HREs. Unbelievable. So Porsche One Hills comes out. They sponsor the event, Supercar Sunday. They have for years, and they always have cars on display, pre-owned, new, and we have so much fun out here. There you go. Cars keep rolling in. Hello there. How are you? All right, so we're back here at Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day. The event just began. It's a little after 7 o'clock, and you gotta love the Porsche community. Look at these colors. So cool. So Super Bowl Sunday, Supercar Super Sunday. On your left. All right, so I'm back here, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day. And the cars keep coming. We got everything out here, and this is kind of fun. We park these cars. Great day out here. We're both recording.
All right.
You've got a track car behind you.
So, how long have you been doing this thing anyway?
I don't know, somewhere between 20 and 25 years.
Wow, you're putting a lot of time in this.
You know, I love the cars. I love the community. I love the people. Everyone comes out here. We smile. We have a good time. We're gonna walk this way. We got a Porsche Marque behind you. But this is, if you want to see quintessential California, the car community, what it's all about. It's Supercar Sunday. We get everybody. Rich, poor, religion, socioeconomically, men, women, children, grandparents. It's all about love. Love for the cars, love for each other. We have so much fun, right?
Yeah, that's what I love about this.
That's what we do.
Yes.
Love
Thank you for what you do, brother.
You got
Seriously,
it. Well, thank you for being out here.
Yeah.
I love your car. You always get a VIP spot.
Yes, we do. Thank you so much.
You got it. I'll see you soon.
Buddy. Enjoy it.
Jay.
Hey, man.
What a say, boys.
Hey.
Great day out here. Oh boy, we're recording. What's the thought of the day?
Thought of the day.
The thought of the day.
Don't think too much. That's the thought of the day.
I always think too much. So we're back here at Porsche Day, and it's so busy that I didn't really get a chance to shoot any video. But it's absolutely phenomenal. Super Bowl, Supercar Sunday. So many cool cars here. Absolutely packed. It's hard for me to get all the content that I'd like just because I put on the show. And
You guys have a car here?
Yeah.
What do you have?
He has a Corvette.
That black one?
No.
I'll have to steal pictures from other people.
So I had these accounts, I took most of them out of the other
This one here?
Pardon me?
Well, I mean, the cars. Do you work here or do you?
I put on the show
You put on the
as a
show.
sponsor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just for Woodland Hills.
Correct.
You don't work in the other ones?
No.
I saw you in some other ones.
Dustin Troy and Scott Stanley here, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day.
Good morning, everybody.
It's been so packed that I haven't had a chance to do a lot of videos, and then you've been talking to everybody.
It's a great crowd. I mean, wonderful people, the Porsche community. We just had Porsche out for an event on Thursday, and if we didn't get to you, we apologize, but stop by, we'll give you the tours. Yeah, it's just amazing. And that's something that they said. These guys go around the world, and we got a note afterwards saying that, you know, the building's great, and it really is. It's 220, or I say my 220,000 square foot office is amazing to look at, but the people were what made the difference. And so
When you say that people make the difference, a lot of you are in the car world like I am, and here's what I have to tell you. The general manager of Porsche Woodland Hills at Supercar Sunday is here
go grab this guy.
bright and early every Sunday, help me tear down, set up. This is Howard Tenenbaum, owner of Porsche Woodland Hills. You're
morning.
out here.
Good morning.
You're
Yeah.
a car guy,
We
real
are
deal
too.
car guy.
I look forward to Porsche Marque Day here at Supercar Sunday. Why not? Great donuts, great people, great cars, beautiful weather. What else could you ask for?
So I always say this, folks, when you have the owner of a store, the general manager of a store, who are part of the car community, they're one of us. They're one of us. When you need something, the first place you go, turn around, Scotty. Porsche Woodland Hills, right there, because Howard Tenenbaum, Scott Stanley, they're out here with us. You can talk to them, they're approachable, they know everything about Porsche.
We wouldn't miss it.
It's one giant family. That's what I got to tell you. And so with their help, we're here every Sunday for years now, Motor for Toys. You're not going to find a better group of people. I'm proud to work with them, everything they do, and it's just awesome.
We appreciate you, Dustin.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
So this Supercar Sundays, ladies and gentlemen, because of Porsche Woodland Hills, we're here. You always have to appreciate those who support you, and we have so much fun. So the event's winding down. It's still packed. It's Super Bowl Sunday, but absolutely packed today. The high point was about a half hour ago. People are starting to take off, but look at this. Look at this. Rows and rows and rows of cars. Porsches everywhere, Ferraris everywhere, muscle cars, hot rods, you name it. Unbelievable.